Many have said the COVID-19 crisis has laid bare the extent of inequality and racism in our society. Not to us. The Health Justice Working Group of the Movement of Rank-and-File Educators aligned with parents and community-based organizations. We've been fighting this all along.
What it has highlighted and exacerbated is the extreme greed and disregard people in power have for school communities' health and well-being. We do not seek a return to business as usual. Business as usual is what got us here.
We imagine a society where true equity becomes the new normal. We refuse to allow institutionalized racism to continue to criminalize our Black and Indigenous youth of color and rob them opportunities to reach their fullest potential. Instead, we demand socially just, democratic classrooms that embody culturally responsive teaching and transformative justice. We will settle for nothing less.
Since March, we have published our community-developed health justice agenda entitled Preventing Premature Death After the Pandemic, a health justice agenda to address structural racism and inequality. We outline the need to center an anti-racist lens, what health justice looks like for our communities, and how to redistribute funds to meet our demands. We have drafted community letters, rallied in front of our schools, pressured our UFT leaders, and attended the PEP since August.
On August 19th, we attended the first People's PEP organized by Press NYC. Parents stayed on for 8 hours until 3:45 in the morning to hear from students, parents, teachers, social workers about the urgent need to delay the unsafe reopening of schools. Despite 131 unanimous statements calling for a prioritized, delayed, in-person reopening and the need to center anti-racism work now more than ever in our schools, the Chancellor disrespected, interrupted, and ignored our message.
So we attended the second People's PEP in September to reclaim our time. The September PEP further alienated stakeholders with a last-minute resolution seeking to limit speaking time for parent leaders and attempting to silence not only their voices, but those of the students, advocates, families, teachers, and school communities they serve.
So here we are. We're boycotting the October PEP because we are tired. We're tired of being gaslit. We're tired of being silenced. We're tired of being ignored by Mayor de Blasio and Chancellor Carranza. This is strike 3.
We will no longer entertain the PEP's illusion of democracy. They have not been a space of clear communication, nor have they empowered city workers and families through this chaotic reopening process.
We need the DOE to adopt the 13 points of the Movement of Rank-and-File Educators Health Justice Agenda now. We must end the tyrannical mayoral control over public schools by empowering school communities to go fully remote until it's actually safe.
Health
Health
justice
justice
now.
now.